Hey there, I'm Heather, and this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Beachy Beach.
Today we have a luxurious home in the community of Wild Heron. Now, Wild Heron is amazing. It's past 79 between 30A and Panama City Beach, and it's kind of secluded. And what's beautiful and unique about this subdivision is there are restrictions on how close the houses can be. There are restrictions keeping your trees up and around your home so that you can feel that outdoor living and the beauty that we have here in North Florida. Also, Wild Heron is known because you can join two different types of golf clubs. You can join the beach club, which allows you access to 3 or 4 different golf courses, or you can just join the one that's here in Wild Heron, whatever your heart desires. But you're kind of secluded from the rest of the busyness, and in this beautiful home, you have got to check this place out. And not only do you have the outside coming inside, but you can come out here. Look at this expansive deck, adding all this outside Florida living. The beautiful fountain in the background, you've got the lighting here. It's great for parties. And again, you're in peaceful Wild Heron. This kitchen is decked out. 2 dishwashers, your gas Wolff appliances, your Subzero fridge, you've got an ice maker, there's plenty of cabinets, and it leads right in here to this beautiful open space. First, we've got your large dining expanse, and then you've got it right in here to the living room. I love to highlight this fireplace here between the 2 spaces. So you've got a little bit of a barrier, but it's still wide open. And again, you're seeing all this natural light, and these windows come in and you get the preserve. And it feels like you're in the woods all by yourself. It's stunning. I needed to highlight this space because downstairs, you've got a media room. Up that cool spiral staircase is a flex space. It could be a bedroom. It could be another media room. It could be a playroom. But all of this is on this side of the house. Let's keep checking it out. Welcome to this main ensuite. I wanted you to get a full view of just how incredible this stone bathroom is. From the tub that's sitting with the preserve, and your shower, and it leads right into the main bedroom. So much space. This main bedroom is also incredible in that it overlooks the beautiful pool with fountain and the golf course. There's plenty of space here. I love the detail of the natural wood on the ceiling and of course all the windows so that you can get all of that lovely preserve. And what's awesome, this whole main ensuite is in a wing by itself. So it's definitely split floor plan, and there are some beautiful things in this house that you've just got to see. So for more information, look in the description below. I have the listing link. You can get all the finer details, more photos, square footage, and pricing. And don't forget, subscribe to our channel, thebeachshow.com. Ring that bell so you don't miss out on any more amazing deals like this one.